friends, Pamela Shepherd here. Okay, we're having guests over for dinner tonight. And so I wanted to show you a couple things. I made a, whoa, it's way close. Okay, I made a do nothing cake. I've made that a few times. It is really good. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, and I'll put the, my dog's outside barking. She wants it. Let's see what's going on. Okay, Minnie, come in. She took off. Okay, so I have Minnie. No. I have a do nothing cake. It is so good. I'm going to show you a picture of it. So this is the do nothing cake. Whoa, there we go. It almost has the consistency in the frosting of like a German chocolate cake, but it's made with 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, some eggs, vanilla, and pineapple. So I'll put the recipe down in the bottom. It is so fabulous. It's really good. My husband and my daughter both love it a lot. So I'm making that, and I'm making barbecue chicken, and I'm having some ham slices. I'm going to do a special vegetable dish that our family does all the time, and I'll videotape that as soon as I start that. I'm going to have some just fresh vegetable, like a fresh vegetable platter, and I'm probably going to make some biscuits. I'm going to use the Walmart biscuits. I love the frozen Walmart biscuits. They are fantabulous. I'm a homemade biscuit girl. I make a lot of homemade biscuits, but they are really good, so I'm going to make some of those. So, okay, hang tight, and I'll do the vegetable dish in just a minute, okay? Okay, so here is some vegetables. I'm about to put the second small bag in there. This is the California blend. I normally use the Normandy blend, but this is perfect. My husband stopped by and got this. I put a 1/2 cup of water in there to steam it. I'm going to put these in there, and I'm going to add salt and pepper. We'll see if I need a little more water. Okay, I ended up adding another 1/2 cup of water. So that's a full cup of water for 2 bags of this. Let me see exactly what size those bags are. Okay, those are 16 ounce, 1 pound bags. Okay? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add some onion salt. And I'm going to add a little bit of coarse pepper. I normally actually heat these up in a skillet, but this is like a Pyrex dish, and it's going to be just fine. I'll stir it around a bit. And I always cook my vegetables a little bit before, because really once you get those kind of steamed a little bit and cooked, then you only have to really cook them in the oven for about 15 minutes. How cool is that? And I'm just going to simmer them. I actually put another 1/2 cup, so that's 1.5 cups. So I'll show you what I do in just a minute. Okay, so I'm going to take this Great Value individually sliced cheese. I'm going to open these up, and I'm going to cover the whole top of the veggies with this cheese. The microwave, and I'm going to melt it. Okay, so this is 1 cube of butter. Over this. And it really, since I went ahead and steamed the vegetables and everything, it really only needs to cook for about 15 minutes. It just needs to melt it just needs to brown the top. Okay, so that's ready to go in the oven. I normally use... Okay, so here's the barbecue sauce that I love the most. There you go. I love this. Okay, so I'm going to make some biscuits. Like I said, I'm a homemade biscuit girl, but I love these Walmart. They're the Great Value buttermilk biscuits. They're frozen in the frozen section. They're frozen individually. And it is currently 5:25, so about 6:30 I'm going to pop them babies in the oven. Okay.
And a wonderful time was had by all. Thank you so much for sharing with me today. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see all you good people later. Bye-bye.